Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad K. Sangma, hene kasngi kakatlay tarik ula palat patba, yaka special postal cover bat Citrus Indica, ha William Nagar, ha kajingadon lang u government chief whip, u Marquis Marak bat u MLA Kathan u Saleng A. Sangma. Habakren ha kani kasngi u Menteri Rangba u Laong, bakani ka postal cover kaday na kabanta, ban pensa nam bat buram ya kirew kraw kibaday na Kathan Garo Hills. Ula menaru baka sorkar jalla kan sawan ra ikibenta kiban kentiu ya karoy kapar hakathan batru hakaban pensa kan mau ya upatogan Sangma ha Chisal Bibra kabahap ha William Nagar is Garo Hills. Hagni kajo kajinga lang Menteri Rangba ula samru ya kisernot ya kisamla pule jangka Aspaya Meghalaya balabha da ka sorkar Meghalaya lengba katanat jangka Arts and Culture balasenyang da ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jangka sorkar India ha William Nagar. Lengba ka Aspaya Meghalaya Shillong kabalapan long ru ya ki program baper kabaay jeng hikay ru ya ki samla pule bat kani ka kenti ru ya ki samla ha kajilla.
Lekrab G. Momon, Genevieve T. Sangma, Marak Dulchira M. Sangma, Mangsa.
They have covered more than 5,000 youths all over the state, if I'm not wrong, 5,000. 5,000 youths have been covered, and it's not that they do the program sitting in Shillong. This program is done by visiting the different locations. They have gone to more than 10, 15, 20 locations all across the state, interior locations, in difficult conditions, and yet they've been able to, with a smiling face, they've been able to give the necessary training and confidence building to our children. The youth is important, and we know that even though we have a smaller number compared to a big state like Uttar Pradesh or Maharashtra, but the quality of the youth that we have is more important. It's not the quantity. So if every youth of ours can be given a talent or trained, if every youth of ours can be given a skill, if every youth can be polished and made the best that he or she could be,